Hey guys, you may have seen my earlier video on the top 5 most frequent disputes between landlords and tenants and how to resolve them. In this second video, I will discuss another 5 more. First on the list is breach of quiet enjoyment. Now, quiet enjoyment refers to a tenant's right to enjoy the property without disturbance. Disputes arise when landlords enter the property without notice or if excessive construction or noise disrupts the tenant's peace. To resolve this, landlords must provide reasonable notice before entering the premises, and tenancy agreements should specify the circumstances under which landlords can enter and how much notice the landlord must give. For example, the tenancy agreement could state that the landlord has to give no less than 2 days notice for repairs or to show prospective buyers or to show the premises to new tenants or without notice at all in emergencies. Next, subletting is often a point of contention. Tenants may sometimes secretly sublet without the landlord's consent in order to lower their rent, and this will often lead to disputes. To resolve this, the tenancy agreement should specify whether subletting is allowed and under what conditions. If subletting occurs without permission, landlords can serve a notice of breach and seek an eviction if necessary. Tenants should always get written approval before subletting to avoid legal complications. The third most frequent dispute between landlords and tenants are those over utility bills. Disputes over utility bills can arise when there's ambiguity over who should pay for what. For example, some landlords include utilities in the rent, while other landlords expect tenants to cover them separately. Sometimes, landlords expect their tenants to pay for the broadband and TV services. Therefore, the tenancy agreement should clearly outline responsibility for utility, Wi-Fi, broadband, TV, whatever payments. If a dispute arises, reviewing the tenancy agreement and clarifying any ambiguities through negotiation or mediation is the best way forward. Another major dispute is unlawful eviction. In Singapore, landlords cannot evict tenants without following proper legal procedures. Locking tenants out or forcibly removing their belongings is illegal. If a landlord attempts to evict a tenant unlawfully, the tenant can seek a court order called a writ of possession to prevent a wrongful eviction and claim damages. Landlords should follow the proper legal channels, including issue an eviction notice and obtaining a writ of possession if the tenant refuses to vacate, even if the tenancy agreement gives the landlord the right to re-enter the premises and to take possession. So there you have it, another 5 of the most frequent disputes between landlords and tenants in Singapore, along with practical steps to resolve them. Remember, if you face any of these issues, it is always advisable to seek legal advice and consider mediation before escalating matters to the courts. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more legal tips and insights. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.